Join us this week for a room tour of the Wolf Den Suite and trip to the indoor water park as we celebrate Westin's birthday at the Great Wolf Lodge in Grapevine, Texas.
So here's the rolling tornado. I went on this one before. But we're going to try to film it today. We're also going to film the green slide. It's going to have Aubrey in it. She's not tall enough to do the rolling tornado. That's the rolling tornado.
Has a big drop right there.
Yeah, it does. And then you go into a giant tank with really big waves.
Was it fun? Scary?
It was fun. It was fun. It was actually more fun than scary.
Okay.
Scary.
Aubrey's not tall enough. What do you have here, my love?
She has
Yellow band.
I have the
and
green band. I go on the biggest water slides.
Right. And Aubrey can go on some of the big ones, but not all of them yet, huh? Maybe next year.
Yeah, maybe after we do the big slides, we'll do the lazy river.
The red band. You
Yeah,
can't
yeah.
go on the mega slides.
Red band, yeah.
Can't go on any of
Can't
the
do
big
much
slides.
when you-
She got the
You're
yellow
this short.
band. She's got the yellow band. She can do a lot of fun
Stuff, just not the big one.
Yeah.
Which he was
Still
way
do.
too scared to
Yeah, he
do.
wouldn't be good on those. You could do like the wave.
Yeah, he always said he was way too scared to do it.
Yeah.
Yesterday I put all the fun on camera, really, but now we are.
Headed up the stairs.
So, show you around.
Yeah, it's like magic
You have to have the
adventure or
magic
something.
wand.
Yeah.
And you point it at the crystal, and the crystal will glow or something. Okay, so this is our room. We got the bathroom in here. It's just a bathroom. It has a toilet and a shower. And a shower. The sink's out here for some weird reason. The sink's out there.
That's just how they do it.
And I use this out by the bottom bunk. And this
And
is
you got
the
your own
wolf den.
TV.
It's a Pacific
The
room.
wolf
Room
den.
that you can get. It's the wolf den room.
Wolf
You
Den
can get
Suite.
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
But, so there's a clock over there. There's a light, you got this chest thing that you can put your feet on. You're like, I'm just chilling. And also you can look out here and you can just watch outside.
Pretty cool view.
Great
got the
view.
8th floor, the very top floor this time.
Yeah, that's cool. By the way, you can look at this very fake house painting.
That is a
That
very
was the same
realistic
as our last,
cabin. What are you talking about?
No, it's not. It's very fake. That's completely fake.
That's a real cabin right
No,
there.
it's fake. We got a fridge over here. We got
Mini
microwave,
fridge.
guest coffee maker. I don't know what they look like.
Mm-hmm.
Weird jar thing with cups.
That's the ice chest.
Okay. And we got
then we-
these hangers.
Hangers. You can hang some clothes, extra pillows. We put some towels there.
Okay.
Very cool. Are you pleased with your birthday choice?
Yeah, I like it. Let's go. I want to go from the water parks. Let's go.
Woohoo!
We're gonna go on a slide now. So let's go.
Can't see anything in here. It's not. We're about to go down the drop. Ready? Going down the. So we're on the green side. I think Alberta Falls. That brings you down the toilet bowl. Oh. All right, I think we're gonna go backwards. Try to flip it around. backwards, Albert. We're backwards. We're going backwards. On the yellow side. There we go, Westin, come on! What? I'm hanging on the lazy river.